Okay ladies, I have some hard truths about why your belly is not getting any flatter. You may not like what you're about to hear, but these points are going to help you see the results that you've been looking for. Number one, dairy could be your contributor. Did you know that a lot of us have trigger foods that actually cause inflammation and bloating in our belly? And even though you may not be lactose intolerant, small amounts of dairy may be causing your belly to bloat and flare up, therefore making you look like you have a slight pregnancy belly. And it's not even fat, it is just gas and air. But by removing dairy from your diet, you might actually find that that is the one root cause stopping you from having a flatter tummy. Number two, it might be another trigger food like gluten. It took me years to find out that I was actually gluten intolerant. Now, I'm not a celiac and I can still eat small amounts of gluten. However, large amounts of gluten cause my belly to bloat and be uncomfortable. Once cutting that out, my belly has decreased in size and been since flat. You might also have a slight gluten intolerance that you do not know about because most of the time eating gluten doesn't have an effect on you. However, if you have it in high amounts, then this could be causing you to bloat and stay larger than you actually are. Again, not fat, just air and gas, which means by you cutting out that trigger food will instantly de-bloat your belly, have you feeling thinner and skinnier within days. Number three, alcohol. Alcohol is another trigger food in our bodies. By removing alcohol from your daily or weekly diet can make a huge difference on bloating, especially if you're someone that enjoys wine, beer, and soft drink alcohol choices. These choices are known to ramp up the bloating and cause inflammation in our bellies, especially. So by making that change, you could also see a difference within a few weeks of belly reduction. Number four, water retention being caused from not drinking enough water. Yes, you heard that right. Sometimes our body retains water because we're not drinking enough water. So the way to stop the water retention in our body is to drink more water. That will help our body realize that we're not going to be stopping our water intake and allow it to process through the body in its natural way and natural form, and it won't hold on to water just in case. So if you want to see a reduction in your body from water retention, have a little bit more water, because that is probably the reason why your body is retaining water and causing that bloat, not only in your belly for this one, but around your whole body. Number five, spices and acidic food. These can also be a common trigger food for some people. Some people are completely fine with everything I've listed, but they are triggered by spicy and acidic food, causing them to again bloat and feel bigger than what they actually are and look bigger than what they actually are. So if you're someone that loves your spices and acidic food but it's causing you damage, it might be time to pull out a little bit more of a bland palate just to find out if this is your trigger food. If you want to learn how to figure out what foods trigger your bloating, then don't forget to comment the word free below and I will send you my 3-day guide to an instant flatter belly, absolutely free, so that you can learn exactly what might be causing you to have a bigger belly than necessary and how you can fix it within 3 days. If you would like more personalized help, don't forget to hit me up in the link in my bio.